The next big thing in military innovation is here. It's an AI-powered attack drone you gotta see to believe. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com, where my newsletter is free. This is the new Bolt-M drone, which is a smart autonomous weapon system. The Bolt-M can carry up to 3 pounds of explosives and fly for 40 minutes, covering a range of 12.4 miles. It's powered by Anduril's Lattice AI, which makes it incredibly smart and easy to use. Now here's how the drone works. Say you're a soldier on the battlefield. With just a few taps on the touchscreen, you can tell the drone where to look, what to follow, how to engage, and when to strike. The AI takes care of the rest, even if you lose contact with the drone. But don't worry, humans are still in control of this. The AI is there to simply help make better decisions faster, not to replace us yet. So are AI-powered attack drones the future of warfare? Well, only time's gonna tell, but one thing is sure. The skies are about to get a whole lot smarter. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. If you're not getting my newsletter yet, click the red button at cyberguy.com and get it for free.